Welcome everyone. So today we are trying to figure out what will be the value of x when the given question is x raised to 3 equals to 36. So first thing what we can do is let's write this x raised to 3 is equals to 6 square. But after this we can't do anything. Okay. Now what you have to do is see your logic always has to be whenever you have a variable raised to variable. Your on your constant side also should look like the constant raised to constant. Now, if you look closely, what will happen over here is if I take the cube on both sides or third power on both sides, okay, what will happen is I will get this as nothing but what 6 raised to 6. Why? Because a raised to m, the whole raised to n equals to a raised to m into n. Okay, but here this will look like x raised to x, the whole, then it everything is raised to 9. Okay, so before going ahead over here in your LHS, what we can do is we can interchange these two places. Why? Because eventually, see, they are multiplying, and multiplying, you can use the commutative law, means it can interchange their places. Okay, so I can write this as nothing but x raised to 3, the whole raised to x, then we have a third power. Okay, so now things have become so easy, right? Your only this step had little bit of common sense needed. Apart from this, the entire sum was very easy. Okay, so therefore I can say x cube equals to just 6. Therefore I can say x value is nothing but cube root of 6. Okay, now for those who want to verify, let's write and try and verify it. So you can, instead of cube root, I can also write as 6 raised to 1 upon 3. So I will write 6 raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, then we have x over here also raised to x. So 6 raised to 1 upon 3. The whole raised to is still 3. Okay. Okay, so what happens is multiplying the indices, what we'll get is this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. So I'm left with what 6 raised to 1 upon 3. The whole raised to 6. So this gets cancelled and I'm left with 2. So I'm just eventually left with what 6 square, that is 36. And that, my dear friends, is the part of your RHS. Okay, so I can say either value of x is cube root of 6 or it is just 6 raised to 1 upon 3. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.